Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is some more of my barn board art. I've got some pieces that I can't really use for flags or anything, so I said why not paint some flowers on them? And I'm no artist, so I'm going to show you how I did this. I cut out a circle, and for the circle, I just used the top of a planter's pot. And what I'll do, I'll spray this with yellow spray paint. And how I get the flower petals is I freehand drew these, and I'll just take and get it right like that, and then paint that. And then what I'm going to do, I'll take a paint pen and come around here to define the petals, because I'm no artist, but this is an easy way to draw flowers, and they aren't really looking half bad. But what I'll do, I'll put a spray a lacquer on this, and this will just be a front porch piece of work for somebody. And what I'm using, I had a bunch of spray paint for whatever reason. I don't know what if I thought I was going into the graffiti business or whatever, but I ain't no artist, that's for sure. But I'm using up a lot of my paint on hand, and I'm buying or getting free or low cost paint off of Craigslist. Some people give you paint if it's colors I need. Like if I work with the basic colors, I can mix and get what colors I want. But in the thumbnail, I will show you this flower completed once I get through. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.